If you're pregnant, you might be experiencing some of the super fun things that happen to our face. Oh, when I was pregnant, I looked like I had a mountain range along my jawline, and I would get little red mountains that would pop up, especially on my T-zone, and sometimes like right here randomly. I looked like a prepubescent boy half the time. It was not great. Acne and something called melasma, or the pregnancy mask, is incredibly common during pregnancy in regards to the acne. This is for the most part due to an increase in a hormone called androgen, and that can incite acne. And it causes glands to become overactive producers. We get super oily glands, and the melasma, the pregnancy mask, can be caused by an elevation in progesterone. And so the pregnancy mask, it's like these dark discolorations and patches, usually on the face. So the good news is that for most women, after you give birth to the baby, these skin conditions should minimize or completely disappear. Yay! But it's still incredibly irksome during pregnancy. So what do we do? So the first thing, if acne is what you're dealing with, be hyper vigilant about skincare. Make sure to wash with an organic facial cleanser. There are plenty organic cleansers made specifically for acne. Wash every morning, every evening, and after heavy sweating. Avoid washing too much. This is something that I did, and I did not know that washing your face too much can actually make it oilier. So again, stick to the morning, the evening, and after exercise, for example. After washing your face, use an anti-acne organic toner. You can also make a toner with 1 part unfiltered apple cider vinegar and 3 parts distilled water. You can follow this up with an organic moisturizer that does not contain retinol. That's really important. Make sure you're not putting retinol on your face. And there are a lot of really amazing moisturizers made specifically for acne that have raw shea butter, aloe vera, and manuka honey, all natural products that are really great for acne. Washing your hair regularly actually helps, and keeping it out of your face, because the oil from our hair can actually exaggerate the acne. Our phones. So our phones don't look grody, but they really are. So using the speaker feature or having headphones instead of holding the phone on your face can help prevent acne. Staying on the theme of keeping gross stuff off your face, wash your pillowcase once or twice a week. If you get night sweats like I did during pregnancy, wash it more often, or just switch it out with a clean pillowcase. And if your acne is really out of control, if it's really stressing you out, ask your care provider for a dermatologist recommendation. And while it's really tempting to use medication, especially if you're somebody that never had skin issues and now all of a sudden your face is just out of control with acne, it can be tempting to use the chemical-laden treatments, but do not. They're not advisable for pregnant women. And a lot of experts advise against using topical treatments that have salicylic acid. So again, the things like the manuka honey, the apple cider vinegar, just being good with hygiene and washing your face, they can all really, really help with the issue without using chemicals. All right, drinking lots and lots of water, avoiding refined sugars, processed foods. All right, and here's the one that was, I was gonna say near impossible, but it was actually impossible for me, is popping them. I could not help myself. I made it so much worse. I have some scars now from messing with the acne, so just let it be. Do everything on this list. Resist that very strong temptation to pop them. And so for melasma, so the main thing with that is you want to avoid too much sun exposure, because the sun can exaggerate those dark patches. So every morning before you leave the house, put on an organic zinc oxide sunscreen. So this is more of just a physical layer, and it's not something that is going to be soaked into your skin. So organic zinc oxide sunscreen, reapply as much as needed. And Something else to do is make sure you have a hat. So if you're gonna be hiking or out in the sun for a long period of time, give yourself that extra protection with a hat. I think that's about it. If you have any other questions about skin issues that you're dealing with during pregnancy, let me know in the comments below or email me at the email address in the comments or in the description.